Whoa. Looks like there's a track happening in here, guys.
Hampton. Yeah, buddy. There's a train
What
happening in here.
is this? Bud.
That is the longest train that Thomas has ever pulled.
What in the world have you got going on here?
I think
What? Wait, he's running into a wall.
birthday time.
Did you do this? Oh, wow. Okay, and what is this over here?
Blue Mountain Quarry.
Oh, the Blue Mountain Quarry. Okay. The Sodor Paint Company is in the middle of nowhere right now. Daddy,
Yes.
what's going on over here?
An engineering feat that is probably not possible. Can you find me a switch like
Another
this?
switch?
You got all the switches lined up over here, my friend. You got all the
Switch
switches
City.
in one spot.
Going to nowhere. But I love it. I love it. Okay, and what is this? Oh, I see. It fuels up. I see. Okay, so we need to pull the train up to it. And it fills it up with gas. We need diesel. Where's diesel?
Let's get Steven on.
Oh, Steven. Steven's getting some gas?
Yeah.
All right.
He's on some gas. Now you know. And Rosie.
Oh, nice. Did they all get some gas? That was awful quick.
Yeah, they all get gas. It's like
I think you can pick up your cargo.
in the
Oh, okay. So you have another one.
yes.
Oh, and it loads up.
Dang, dang, dang.
How are we coming along over here? Is it coming together?
Not very well.
Okay. All right. Let's see. Nail. Okay. Here we are. Oh, here we are. Okay. Let's see. Does it work? Ha! See, I need to take this and lead it over to the Sodor Paint Company. All right.
We've got a problem.
We've got a problem.
We're running out of house. How are we going to make this work, Hampton?
Right there. Look. Some more tracks.
Oh, yes. More tracks.
More tracks is always the answer.
Okay, I'm
I
still.
like it.
What do I need here? Hopefully a straight piece. Wait, but maybe if I come over here and gank some of Daddy's pieces.
Whoa.
Yeah. Okay, I think I got it now. I think. Okay, so I have that part. Now what do we have going on? We have these.
That's not working.
Oh, bless you.
Stop.
Is everything coming together? I'm just gonna ignore the situation over here.
Mama's so funny.
Wait, I know what can go over there that may bring everything together.
Oh, Hampton. Mama has a plan.
I have a plan. I have a plan. I think I can fix our problem. Oh my gosh, it's heavy.
It is.
What is it?
It's the Tidmouth Sheds.
What? Whoa. Yeah.
I'm gonna open it up.
Lux Roundhouse.
Oh, my goodness.
But does it say? Oh,
Tidmouth Sheds.
yes, it does. Look, Hampton. It says Tidmouth Engine Shed right on the side.
There you go.
All right. Let's get into this thing.
Just open it up.
Open it up. Okay. Oh, you got it, Daddy?
Good job, baby.
Do the
Wow.
yeah.
Ooh.
You can open it up?
Yeah.
Oh, my goodness.
Oh, yeah. Whoa. Whoa.
Oh.
That is huge. Yeah.
Did I not already say we were running out of house?
Yeah, we're running out of house.
Hey, can you help me get it out?
Can you get it out? Whoa.
Oh, my goodness.
That
Hampton.
is massive.
Look at this thing. Hit the button.
Okay. Oh, look. Oh, and it has, look at this. Oh, but it's so cool.
It's Tidmouth Sheds.
Whoa, and it has the doors?
Yeah, but I have some room for tennis sheds.
Oh, look at this. Look back here.
What?
There's these tools. So you can pull. Oh, we need a train. You can use these tools. Okay, first we gotta put it somewhere. The engines are sleeping.
Yeah.
They're all in there?
Yeah, they're sleeping in there.
Ah. Wait, so how do I get them out?
You push these buttons when...
Cool, you push the button. Let me see, Bob. Oh, I love it.
They're cool.
I need to get this to come over and meet this, correct?
We
Fairly simple.
need whatever we can get.
Okay. Well, I have these, so I can put these
You have what?
in here.
Bubble station.
Yeah, bubble station,
Gas
and
can.
North Pole. Yeah, is that what that is?
is that
Water tower.
water tower, yeah.
All right. I'm trying to switch this out. Oh, will it work? Come on. I gotta back the zoo up. Where's all the animals? Oh, the animals. They escaped the zoo.
They're running rampant through the city.
Get back in the zoo. Get back in the zoo. What are we doing here? What are you up to, Daddy?
I don't know. Hampton, can you find me a stray piece?
A straight piece. What I can do is if I do it and then do a little one,
Yeah, do it in a little
that should match up.
Yeah.
Okay, so I just need a little one. Do it over here with the water tower over near the dock and the bridge.
Yeah.
Okay. All right, now I just need a little piece. Let's see. Oh, I got it. Okay. Take this. Put it here. Ah, okay. There you go. Straight piece.
Oh, that's something.
Whoa. Yeah. This is big. Okay, what are you doing over here? Where's that going?
I'm just gonna make a spot that doesn't exist. Is that okay?
Okay, that works for me.
I need a bumper.
A bumper, okay. The truck that goes to the docks? Let's see. Is this the truck? Yes, this is the truck that picks up the cargo at the docks. All right, I have the cargo. He's ready to be loaded. Beep, beep. Oh, I should lower.
Drop it. Drop it. You have to drop it.
I dropped it.
Yes, yeah.
All right, there we go. Let's take a tour.
Where's he going?
Where's he gonna go?
He's gonna go to the bridge.
He's gonna go to the bridge. All right.
Well,
Come on, Thomas. Let's see if he can do it.
Then another Tom.
He's gonna go to the switch.
He's gonna go. Hey, Thomas. He's
All right,
doing it.
Turntable.
He's going to the turntable.
He's
All right.
He's going to the way where Percy's sleeping.
He's gonna go to the zoo.
You better move Percy.
He's going to Mama's zoo.
All right,
Come
let's
on,
see.
Thomas. Oh no!
What?
Thomas!
What happened?
He's driving straight to the aquarium. Ah! Doing so great on these turns.
There's another. He's heading to.
There he goes.
I want him to.
All right, and now we want him to go this way.
He's going to the bridge.
Ooh, can you
Say
turn
the
him
bridge.
midway? Oh, there he goes. Can he do it? Can he do it?
Hampton, you gotta line him up, baby.
Oh
He fell
no!
off.
He's got a lot going on.
You gotta put it back on the switch.
He's got a bridge.
There you
He's
go.
got a turntable.
All right. Let's see if he makes
Oh,
it around
Thomas.
Daddy's bridge.
Doing good. Oh, look at that view of the docks. What in the world? Oh no! Oh no, Hampton! Ah!
What happened to the track?
Okay, well, he made it work. Bridge! Hampton, the bridge!
Oh no, it's that.
Ah! Ah!
You're missing the Blue Mountain Quarry.
There we go! I got him to work. Okay. No! Thomas! Come on. Here you go. You got it. You got it, Thomas. No. He's a little confused, but he's making it.
Uh-oh, he's about to go up the hill.
it's a big hill.
Is he gonna make it up Blue Mountain?
Hey, Diesel. Sounds like he down gears. There you go.
Oh no, dude.
Oh no! I see a traffic jam.
Maybe it's because Steven is going.
Uh-oh. Oh, Thomas, you're gonna have to wait your turn.
Thomas.
All right, Steven, where are you going?
To the bridge.
Oh, he's going to the bridge. All right.
Now it's Thomas's turn.
Now it's Thomas's turn. Where's Thomas going?
He's going.
Here
Thomas.
you go, Thomas. You ready? Let's go. Oh, he's going straight. Oh, you guys underestimate me. I'm going to try and switch him all the way around, and he's going to go maybe up the hill. Let's see if he'll go up the hill.
Good luck turning that button fast enough. Oh, cheater. Oh, you cheater.
Yes, Steven, but Steven is going to Tidmouth Sheds.
Whoa. He's going so fast.
Yeah, it's because he's going. That's because he's going streamlining.
Oh, let's see.
Steven has
Look at
streamlining.
Thomas is going. Thomas is going.
Uh-oh, Mom. We gotta fix the bridge.
Oh no, the bridge!
Oh.
The
Alright,
bridge!
bridge is down. We're good.
All right, Thomas, you're good to go.
But there's
You're
another.
good to go this time.
No, there's no other engine.
Oh no!
There's another engine.
Mommy!
Oh, what? Oh, you need me to turn it? Okay, here we go. We're turning it.
Yeah, now
All right,
Steven's going.
Steven.
Steven's going to the bridge.
He's going to the bridge.
Steven's going to the bridge.
I have a feeling that Steven's trying to find Thomas. Yeah. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh, no! We need Harold. Harold will come and save the day. He's
You're
going
gonna
to
need
pick up Thomas.
You're gonna need a structural engineer because my bridge is
No!
It's been kicked
All right,
so many
Thomas.
times.
Harold will help you. All right. There we go. All right, we've got Thomas moving.
Oh no!
Thank you, Harold.
Oh no! There's no.
Harold. Harold, where do you want to fly to? Oh, I know. He can rest on the top of Tidmouth Sheds. Ha! I love it. There you go, Harold. There's your new home.
Harold, go better save Steven.
What? Harold needs to save Steven.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, I'll get Harold. Harold, we need you again. Ha! Harold, to the rescue. To the rescue.
You bet. Oh no!
Oh no! He's gonna save him! Ah! We're gonna put him back on the bridge. Oh, Harold saves the day. Thank you, Harold. And back to your home.
He's one
Oh.
of Steven's car.
I don't know, Daddy. I don't even think I can get this all in one shot. This thing is huge.
Probably not.
Yeah. But there's the Tidmouth Sheds. We made it work. I love it. All right, we're going to keep playing, guys. We'll see you next time.